guys, happy Friday. All right, we're going to start with our number talk for today. Today's number talk, you're just going to be answering some math problems. So it's Fun Fact Friday. Pause the video so you can work these out on a separate piece of paper, and then when you're ready, just hit play. I'll read each one to you. So this one is 5 plus 5. Ooh, 5 plus 5. You can pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to keep going. 6 plus 6. Pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play. 7 plus 7. Pause the video. When you're ready, hit play. 8 plus 8. When you're ready, pause the video and then hit play. 9 plus 9. Pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play. So these were all doubles facts. So doubles are something that we want to work to memorize, okay? Because they're going to help us a lot when we start adding bigger numbers. This was our vocab for the week. So remember, we looked at some addition subtraction strategies. That's kind of what we've been focusing on. We're going to look at a tally chart today. So remember, tallies, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, cross when you get to 5, right? These are the words that tell me if I'm doing an addition or subtraction word problem that I need to be looking for. Here are our facts to 10 that we're working on memorizing. And then we've talked a lot about flip-flop facts this week. So when you take the two add-ins and you can switch them and get the same total. It's also known as the commutative property. It's the fancy word for it. All right. So we're going to start with a word problem looking at a tally chart. Kids voted for their favorite snack. How many more kids picked pretzels than bunches of grapes? Okay, so that's the problem. I want you to try and figure this one out by yourself, okay? So I gave you this. We know it's subtraction because I see how many more. I want to know how many more kids picked pretzels than bunches of grapes. So I have pretzels is right here with 3. And bunches of grapes is here with 1. How many more? Ooh. How many more kids picked the pretzels? Remember, when you're subtracting, you always start with the greater number, okay? So I need you to think about what this problem's going to look like, and then solve it and take a picture and send it into your teacher, okay? All right, when you're done, hit play and keep going. So today we're just gonna do some work on what we've been practicing this week, okay? So for this paper, you're gonna circle and add the two numbers that equal 10, and then add the third number. So you know we've been talking about making 10s to help us add. We're gonna do that on this worksheet. I'll help you with the first one. So 7 plus 6 plus 4. What two numbers do you see that might add up to get 10? I see the 6 and the 4, which, ooh, let me fix that. Fix my circle so I can still see the problem. Okay, so 6 and 4 get me 10. Am I done? No, what do I still have to add? I still have to add on the 7, right? So I have 10. Ooh, I don't know why my computer keeps doing that. Okay, so I have the 10, and now I need to make sure I go back and add my 7, right? So what is 10 and 7 more? 7 plus 10 is, yep, 17. All right, so you're going to do that for all of these problems. If you have a printer and you've printed this out, you can do it on that paper. If not, you can write these problems down and do them on a separate piece of paper, okay? A good resource to use would be to go back and look at our rainbow 10 chart, okay? It'll help you easily locate the groups of 10s here. All right, and then you're going to do this worksheet when you're done. You can do it on a separate piece of paper and write the problems down, or print it out and do it on here. Okay, so you are going to use making 10s to help you add two numbers. So I have 8 plus 6, so I'm going to start by filling in 8. See if I can get it to do it without messing up. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing my 8. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I messed up. That's why we got to make sure we're filling them in carefully, right? So let me start over. So I'm going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to switch and do 6. I'm going to use a different color for 6. Doing 8 plus 6. So I'm going to start where I left off in this 10 frame. 1, 2, ooh, uh-oh. Erased all my other ones. So I have my 6, I did 1. I'm going to keep going with my 6 and do 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So I have my 8 plus 6 all filled in. What do you notice about the 8 plus 6? Yeah, it's like I have one group of 10 and then plus how many more? 4. It's the same thing as doing 10 plus 4, right? And what's 10 plus 4? 14, because I have one group of 10 and 4 more. So what was my 8 plus 6? My 8 orange plus 6 blue. Yeah, same thing. 14. Right? If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher, okay? Have a great weekend. Bye.